Hi, and welcome to Mountains in Heaven. On one of my videos, I was asked, where do you get your grow bags? Well, here in central Pennsylvania, and I'm not sure how much of the surrounding area around here, they're very, very hard to find locally anywhere. I purchased mine off of Amazon, and I just wanted to show you how they come packaged. These are 20-gallon grow bags, and there's 5 in the package. And if you look here, I have a 15-gallon grow bag and a 10-gallon grow bag that I purchased and used last year. So now let's open these up, and I'll show you what they look like, and then we'll put some dirt in this one and we'll compare it to the 15-gallon and the 10-gallon bag, and I'll tell you a little bit while I'm doing that what I've grown in them in the past. Let me see if we can open these up. They actually come with these little tags that you can write on with marker so that you can mark what you plant in them. I wanted you to see that there is 5 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they're really not all that expensive considering things nowadays. I think they're like $25 for 5 of them. That you might be able to find them cheaper. Some of these you can get a lot cheaper. You can get them in packs of 10 and 20. And I'm going to tell you why I bought these 20-gallon grow bags, but for right now, let's just take a look at the material. These are a different color than any that I have used. Pretty good sized. Once you fill this with soil, you may not be able to move it. So these are very tough. I've never torn a handle off of any. Not saying that you couldn't, but you can probably see the stitching on there. They seem to be stitched on pretty good. So I'm going to go. I'm not going to bore you with the filling of this, but I'll come back and I'll fill this grow bag with some dirt, and then we'll kind of compare the sizes, and I'll talk a little bit about what I've grown in these and why I bought these 20-gallon ones. You can see this 20-gallon grow bag is quite a bit bigger than the 15-gallon, and of course the 10-gallon, would just sit right inside of it. Just wanted to show you these sitting on the ground side by side. I have grown potatoes in 15-gallon and 10-gallon grow bags with success. If you would like to see a video I did on raising potatoes in grow bags, I will put a link to it in the description below. I think probably my better yields come from the 15-gallon, the potatoes. But these grow bags are breathable. You can't hardly overwater in a grow bag because you just keep spraying it in and it'll just keep running out. The worst problem is they could dry out too much. That's not what I wanted to show you. I just wanted to answer the question where I get these grow bags. Why did I buy a 20-gallon, 5 20-gallon grow bags? Well, I've grown tomatoes, and I've grown them in both 10-gallon and 15-gallon. I also grew zucchini squash in the 15-gallon bags. But the heirloom tomatoes that I grow, the ones that get really big, I had tomatoes that were over a pound oftentimes. And the heirloom tomatoes really need a big area for a root system. And the reason I bought this color is I'm going to plant all of my heirloom tomatoes in these bags this year. So if you like this content, I would hope you would subscribe, hit the like button, and so join me in the future, and we're going to grow things together. And not just, this isn't about me. This is more about you. I learned about these grow bags from a channel called Celebrating Appalachia. You might want to check that channel out. I'm not trying to promote it or anything, but they're honest people, and they live in the mountains of North Carolina, and I live here in the Appalachian area of Pennsylvania, and I just can't grow things in a garden. There's lots of gardens around me, but in the area where I chose to build, I can't do that. So this is why I use grow bags. So to answer the question, I purchased mine on Amazon. I love to buy locally, and if somebody locally, I was at the Ag Center the other day to buy some soil and some things for future videos and where I buy my seeds. And to be honest with you, here in Pennsylvania, they never even heard of grow bags. Some people grow in some plastic containers and whatever, but anyhow, join me and we'll grow together. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.